Bullish Arweave cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $40.37 and $87.93 by 2030. Market investigators accept AR could reach $40.37 by 2025. Bearish Arweave market cost expectation for 2022 is $7.18. Arweave presentation. In the developing crypto market, new players are continually coming in, each with their varying central, calculated premise and works. These variables alongside exchanging volume and the market cap proceed to create their consistently changing costs, like R's cost. Exploring through the crypto market to create a wise venture can be troublesome, however conceivable. This requires one's own examination to be continually creating and enhanced by specialized investigation given by specialists. One likewise must be continually observing the current endlessly cost expectations. Checking these cost forecasts assists you with bettering comprehend the future direction, assisting you with making a drawn-out cost expectation. To purchase Arweave digital money is a choice one can make subsequent to being entirely educated about what the cash is, the way it capabilities, and what are its starting points. Step-by-step instructions to work will be made sense of through a specialized investigation of Arweave and its starting points through basic examination. These will likewise incorporate a comprehension of the ongoing exchanging value, the typical estimate value, the typical value, the base cost, and the greatest cost level. What is Arweave? The Arweave network is a decentralized information stockpiling organization. It is a novel blockchain-based stage that empowers extremely durable, secure, and proficient information stockpiling. The local badge of the Arweave network is R. The Arweave network was sent off in 2017. The fundamental point of the Arweave network is to give a super durable and restriction-safe information stockpiling stage. The Arweave network depends on blockchain innovation. The information put away on the Arweave network is changeless and can't be erased. The information put away on the Arweave network is scrambled and must be gotten to by the information proprietor. It is developed on top of a pristine blockchain design called Blockweave, which gives a state-of-the-art agreement cycle and token financial model that urges network clients to cooperate to give long-haul information capacity. A safe, versatile, and practical information stockpiling choice is presented by the Arweave convention. In June 2020, the Arweave network turned out to be live on the fundamental net. The organization's stockpiling and recovery capabilities require the organization's local token, R. Like Bitcoin, the confirmation of work strategy is utilized to mine R tokens. Recently made R tokens and a level of the exchange charges connected with the information put away on the organization are given to diggers as remunerations. Most extreme cost, least cost, and the typical exchanging cost. The base cost is the most reduced cost at which a cryptographic money can be purchased. This is additionally called the base cost level. In making an Arweave gauge framework, this worth must be continually changed as unconstrained spikes cause quick changes. The most extreme cost is the most exorbitant cost at which a digital currency can be sold. It is likewise alluded to as the greatest value level or most extreme cost esteem. Very much like its partner, least cost, is a critical worth to be continually observed. The typical cost is the typical cost of a digital currency. This is additionally called the normal exchanging cost or the normal cost esteem. This is normally determined over a period which is generally the range of 24 hours. The base cost, greatest cost, and normal cost are determined by taking the costs of all the digital currencies on the lookout and tracking down the most minimal cost, greatest cost, and normal cost. The base cost, greatest cost, and normal cost are significant on the grounds that they assist financial backers with knowing the reach inside which the cost of a digital currency can move. These details and figures become fundamental for making and understanding numerous an Arweave cost expectation. Arweave value expectations are speculation exhortation with the potential for financial backers to make a wise venture. Arweave current cost. Arweave is presently worth $8.97 USD. R has moved 1.88% as of now with an exchanging volume of $14,326,005. Arweave is presently positioned 94 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $299,618,305 USD. Arweave value forecast 2022. Arweave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The R cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $13.46. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $12.56 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. R is supposed to have a base worth of $10.77. Arweave value expectation 2023. In 2023, Arweave R cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of R will before long outperform $22.43. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the R's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, R will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.94 and a typical exchanging cost of $19.74. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $31.40 and R might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. R is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $28.71 and a low of $26.92 in 2024. Arweave Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Arweave effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the R coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, R will be green in 2025. The R is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $40.37, with a base cost of $35.89 and a typical cost of $37.68. Arweave Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the R cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $46.65 by 2026, with a base cost of $44.86 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, R has a most extreme value worth of $49.35. Arweave Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $55.63. On the off chance that R figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $58.32. Neglecting to accumulate the help R needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $53.83. Arweave Value Expectation 2028. While R is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $62.80 and a yearly cost close above $67.29 in 2028. Arweave Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Arweave will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $71.78 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $76.26, averaging out at $73.57. Arweave Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that